If you love okra, like I love okra, this is the dish for you. Fried okra salad. This has raw okra and fried okra to make a yummy, yummy salad. Let's start with our veggies. So we're going to chop up our onion, and this is the way I like to do it. I make cuts on the top, I make cuts on the side, and then I turn it over and start slicing it down, and it makes beautiful diced up onions. So we got our diced onions together now. Now let's stack together our mini peppers. I took out the seeds and the stems off of them, stacked them together, and again, making some cuts. Turn it to the side, and then you have your perfect diced colored peppers, and this is from a mini pepper. And don't forget, this is also giving you nutrient density. So if you have a little yellow one, a little red one, don't feel afraid to put this inside of your salad as well. Same thing with the tomatoes. Make my slices on the top, turn it over, more slices so that I have perfect dices, and then turn it on its side so that I have my perfectly diced tomatoes. There we go. Perfect little diced tomatoes. Just some slices on the top, slices to the side, and turn it on its side. And there you go. Same thing with jalapeno. We're putting this inside, taking out that membrane and the seeds so that it's not too high up. Because when you leave the membrane and the seeds inside, you don't know what you're going to get with a jalapeno. But when you take that out, you really do even out the hotness, the spiciness. So this is all our veggies that I have so far, but we're not done yet. But look how pretty that looks on the board. Now we're going to start with the star of the show, which is okra. And we're going to add raw okra into this dish. Yes, you heard me correctly. Get about 5 raw okra and slice those thin. They are going into this salad and they are going to be yummy inside. And they do have a lot less slime when you eat them raw, right? When you cook them, you have more slime. You taste less slime when you eat them raw. Not as completely gone, but it tastes less. Now we're going to use some corn. Here I use canned corn, but you could also use nice raw corn because I do sometimes, and some cooked black eyed peas. So it's like almost like a raw Hoppin' John's, right? So we have our green onion as well. We chop that up. And this salad alone already has 30 vegetables. Now we're going to make our dressing. We're going to use lemon, olive oil, agave, pepper, salt, and garlic. And then we're going to place a handful of chopped parsley on top of the salad, dressed in this beautiful lemon vinaigrette, and let that sit there and let those flavors marinate together while we move into the next step, which is frying up our okra. Okay, so we're going to use 5 more okra, and this time it's going to be for frying. So we're going to chop it all up into nice bite-sized pieces, because imagine these are like okra croutons, right, on your salad. Nice and crunchy, fried up bits on this yummy, yummy salad. Chop that all up. And then we're going to make a wet batter so that the crust stays yummy on our okra. So 1 cup of flour, 4 cups of water, garlic powder, onion powder, and any other seasonings that you want. You might want to put a little Creole seasoning in it. Now I'm using a seasoned fish fry batter here, and it's a cornmeal base. If you would like to use something that's a flour base, it's completely up to you, but I like to use cornmeal base. So you take and you put that into a bag, and our wet okra that we have put inside of the wet batter, now we're going to place that inside of our dry seasoned cornmeal batter. And if you just want to use cornmeal and season it up with your own seasonings, you can do that as well. That's in one of my recipe guides, how to make a seasoned cornmeal batter. But in this instance, I'm taking the shortcut and I'm using the already seasoned cornmeal batter. We're going to take it in there. And you know, back in the day, we used to use a brown paper bag to shake up, but now we just have a Ziploc bag. So shake that all up and into 2 cups of grape seed oil, nice and hot. You want it at about 360 to 365 degrees. And if you don't know how to measure the degrees, just make sure it's sizzling like this when you put your first okra in. It needs to be given that sizzle. And go ahead and deep fry these until they are giving this yummy golden color like so. Take them out, drain them, and continue this process until all of your okra are fried up, the ones that you're using for your salad. Now it's time to dip up your salad. Get a few good spoonfuls in there, and then drop on top your nice fried okra and enjoy this. If you want more yummy recipes, get my recipe, guys. I have 4 of them. They are on Amazon. I have yummy fried things, smoothies, salads, dressings, yummy, yummy, yummy.